What is communication? Communication is an exchange of information, but not everyone communicates in the same way. Some of the ways we can communicate include speaking and listening, British Sign Language, written communication including emails, texts and social media, or using communication tools such as Makaton or PEX. We can also communicate using body language, facial expressions and eye contact. In social care, communication is an important part of helping people to feel empowered, safe and valued. As a social care worker, you will need good communication skills to share information effectively, develop positive relationships, build trust, understand needs, manage difficult situations, provide emotional support. Understanding the needs of the person you support is essential. This could include how we use language. Your communication should be clear, simple, positive and respectful, often needing you to break down complex information. It's important to consider a person's language needs, including their first language and how they communicate, such as British Sign Language, BSL, Welsh, and offering proactive support such as the active offer. Communication style and non-verbal communication. To meet a person's communication needs, use tools and aids to understand their style and adapt your own accordingly. Be aware of body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and gestures to reinforce your words. Emotion and time. Consider how emotions may affect a person's communication and ensure they have enough time to express themselves and make decisions. Active listening. Active listening means more than just listening. It's about genuinely showing you understand the person's thoughts and feelings. With these skills, we can communicate with compassion and empathy and help people feel safe, valued, and understood.